Hey everyone! Welcome! This video tells how to become a data analyst. If you're dreaming to become a data analyst, this video will be helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Share this video to your friend who is passionate about data and data analysis. Data analysis. As a data analyst, you'll need to have a strong understanding of data analysis techniques such as statistical analysis, data visualization, and exploratory data analysis. SQL is a programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. As a data analyst, you'll need to be proficient in SQL to extract, manipulate, and analyze data from databases. Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. You'll need to be proficient in Excel to perform tasks such as data cleaning, data transformation, and creating pivot tables. Programming. Proficiency in at least one programming language, such as Python or R, is essential for a data analyst. Programming skills are necessary for data manipulation, cleaning, and analysis. Data visualization. Data visualization is an important skill for data analysts. You'll need to be able to create visualizations that help others understand the insights and patterns that are present in the data. Data wrangling. Data wrangling is the process of cleaning and transforming data into a format that is suitable for analysis. As a data analyst, you'll need to be proficient in data wrangling techniques such as data cleaning, data normalization, and data transformation. Business intelligence tools. Business intelligence tools such as Tableau and Power BI are essential for creating visualizations and dashboards that help others understand the insights and patterns that are present in the data. Machine learning. Machine learning is an important skill for data analysts. You'll need to have a basic understanding of machine learning algorithms and techniques to be able to create predictive models and perform advanced analytics. Thanks for watching.